Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you fairness tips and remove wrinkles at home with very simple ingredients, my friends. With all simple ingredients you can get fair, spotless and glowing skin. You will remove pigmentation and dark spots naturally, and it whitens the skin tone and will remove wrinkles and fine lines and will get you baby looking skin with very simple ingredients. This magical remedy works 100%. The first ingredient we need to prepare this remedy: in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, get the rice and grind it fine into a grinder and you will get the rice flour. Then, my friends, we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half and add fresh lemon juice. Remove the seeds like so. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel or market aloe vera gel. Then add 1 teaspoon of Fair and Lovely cream. Now mix well all the ingredients. Now, my friends, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like so. It whitens the skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin without any side effects. It removes wrinkles and fine lines. After apply it on your skin, leave it for 45 minutes or 1 hour and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. Keep using that remedy and store it in the fridge, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It doesn't go bad and will last for long time. Keep using that remedy until you achieve the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.